as I said before, it is time for bed. Bed. It's time for bed. So that's the reason I'm going to draw these curtains. Sorry, they have lines actually. Sorry, I just got wrong. I just got it wrong. You know what? I'd just love it if I worked in somewhere bigger. Because, I mean, there's only 3 rooms in this lab. Steve's room, my other room, which is over there that I'm normally in, and there's another room that I don't go in because it doesn't belong to me, and last time I snuck into somebody's IT establishment, I ended up nearly getting, well, how do you say, battered. So yeah, I'm not going to try it, but I just wish I was in somewhere bigger. Please, please, I really want to wake up in somewhere bigger where I can work and fix computers, please. Then you send it off into the air, then hopefully the respected people will hear your wish and make it come true. Hopefully they will. I'm just assuming that they will. Anyway, it's time for bed. So, here I go. Can't sleep. Something's playing on my mind. I don't think they're going to accept my wish. What the heck? Where am I? I mean, not that I don't like where I've been teleported to, I love it, but would there have just been the slightest bit of warning? Guys, Mike Thunder here, and you know what? I said that I was leaving the weather, right? Well, I'm not, because I'm standing here right now doing it. Now, I'm not doing 20 seconds with Mike Thunder anymore. I've gone back to the old format where I was actually given as much time as I wanted to say the weather. So I'm going to get on with it now. Now, weather recently, pretty bad, right? And I just don't know what to say. The last month, every weekend, we witnessed a thunderstorm. Or some sort of storm. Now, I don't get that. Was it some kind of person in the sky just doing it? It's kind of like a curse. I can't get over what I'm witnessing. I'm in a bigger space. I mean, I know people say something sometimes, oh, I want this, I want that. But ain't that what you've got a wish list on eBay for? I mean, come on, like, this is unreal. I mean, maybe a dream is a wish your heart makes. Maybe dreams can come true. But all I did was say I want a bigger space and look where I am. Oh my God. And look, everything's in boxes. It packed everything up for me as well. I mean, I didn't ask for a removal man, but I'm grateful. Oh yeah, it was kind of like a curse. Like, every weekend we were just greeted with another storm. First it was Dennis. Secondly, it was Kira. What are they going to do next? Storm Steve? One thing I wish it wasn't here, that mat. I've always wanted new headphones, and I mean, look at it over here. This massive window, the view, trees, the lot. And a plate, which I do not know what was for. So I'm just putting my hood up because I'm Edward Dunn. Don't get live, and I also don't get the point of hoods. But so yeah, you last saw me. I was in France, and I was understandably annoyed because they put me on a network called Orange France, but nobody give me a freaking orange. So what's all that about? That's why I don't get live. I don't get live because, you know, sometimes I buy speakers that say juice on, but it doesn't come with any juice, does it? I get put on a network called Orange France, and there's never no actual Orange France. I mean, come on. My name's Bill Wilkins. No relation to the mass murderer, but I'm kind of on that path. Yeah, in front of me I've got some cauldrons bubbling up the most evilest potions. However, that's the noise you can hear, but however, I could not see them. They're so evil, deadly, don't think you want to see them. You know what? I'm not afraid of anything. I'm not. You'll be surprised. Anything touches me, I'm not scared. Spider. Yeah. Sometimes I say things that ain't true. It's actually Bob cold out here. I'm scared of the cold. Nope, I'm not. I'm totally calm. Not a spider. So yeah, various people think I'm related to the mass murderer, Bill Wilkins, but I'm not. It's just my name. Because Bill Wilkins was a mass murderer many years ago, and my parents thought if they named me that, then I would suddenly become famous and that they'd get loads of money. It didn't work like that. People heard about my name. I wasn't speaking up. I think maybe I should change my name actually, because you know what? If I keep this name, people might assume that I'm the actual Bill Wilkins. I wouldn't be though, because I'd either be dead or in prison right now. The amount of people he murdered, he was in and out of prison all the time. He was. Go check his prison record. Bill Wilkins. Prison home to BillWilkins.com. Yeah, that's his record. You'll be surprised. I just received a text message from Rosie, and I'm just going to check what she said. What? She's just texted me, Bobby, where are you? That's understandable. I have gone. I've been looking around the IT lab for you all day and all night. Where are you? Well, I can respond to that instantly, because I know where I am. Hi, Rosie. I wish that I was in a bigger IT lab last night, and turns out overnight I was randomly teleported to one. I'm going to stay here. Send. She's put back. I'm leaving you. How dare you leave me behind? Well, Rosie, it was my fault. I got teleported here in the night. I weren't to know, was I? But I do love it. Sorry about that. Was randomly teleported through the night. Don't think I could have stopped that. It is really great. I will give you the address, but I don't know where I am. Send. She's put back again. I'm leaving you this time for good. You always muck things up. What? What? I'm a silly sausage. So, what did you think of our brand new series kickoff? Was it great? Was you expecting that? Because I know I wasn't. Head over to our official website now. Play the quiz, meet our characters, and get to know what the show is really about.